Hey there, welcome to another episode of Hang Out with me in my kitchen space. In today's episode, I'm back with another simple recipe that I'm pretty sure you're going to love it. We are making some green juice and me have my ingredients. So for this recipe, you'll need a cucumber and an apple. That's pretty much it. But because you're not adding some sugar, I'll go in with a piece of pineapple, and then I'm going to add some lemon juice just to give it the little kick. And then I'll also add some mint leaves just to give it some freshness and that little So without further ado, let's get started. So this is pretty much a very healthy juice recipe that you should also try it out. It also helps in the management of weight. So if at all you want to lose some weight, you can have this particular recipe anytime you're hungry. Instead of grabbing some food or some fast food, you can make this juice and you're going to love it. It's delicious. Though it's sugar free, it's also delicious because of the pineapples that you are going to be adding. So my pineapple was frozen, that's why it's a little bit hard to cut. Then into my jug, I'm going to start with the mint leaf. I'll add that in. Then I'll go in with the apple because it's also soft. So we are going to put the soft fruits first. Then we will end up with the pineapples because they're also still frozen. So normally on a normal day I would peel my apple and I will also peel the cucumber, but for today, because of the online doctors, I'm not going to be doing that. And also this waste I'm going to recycle it and I'm going to use it in my cake that I'm about to make. So if at all you're going to be drinking this to manage your weight, you do not really need to make a cake. So that's it, and I'll chop it in. So when you peel your fruits, you're just going to reduce on the pulp that you're going to get at the end or the waste, because everything is going to kusiagika very well if you remove your peels. So just to mention, this is not the regular size of the cucumber that I use. I use one that reaches here, hapa. But I also do not mind the size of this because I also love cucumbers. So I'm just going to add it, all of it. I'm going to cut them into pretty manageable sizes. Once I'm done with that, I'll add in my pineapple. Then finally, I'll go in with my water. And for the water, because you're not using any honey or any sweetener, you just want to fikisha your water where your fruits have reached. Just like that. But because I added an extra piece of cucumber, nitafikisha yangu there. But normally, if I use the normal size of the cucumber, ningefikisha hapa. Then I'm going to blend this till everything is well smooth. So my juice is ready and I'm going to sieve it. So you can just have it as it is, but I'm going to be sieving it for today because I want to have this and I'm going to use it to make my cake. So I'm going to set this aside, but this is also good. It can also be eaten. Then we had our lemon. This is where it comes in. I'm going to squeeze in the lemon juice. Wow, just look at this color. Nakwambia mautamu iko hapa. Just have to try this out. So on a normal day, I usually put it here, then I store it in the fridge, na ikunywa mdogo mdogo, and this is good for a day. So once I drink this in the morning, another glass during the lunch break, and ingine before I cook at night, and I'm usually good to go. So this is best served chilled or cold, and it's also cold right now because our pineapple was straight from the freezer. So I've served mine in this beautiful glass jar that I bought for 50 shillings, and I'm going to give this a taste test. You can taste the apples, you can also taste the sweetness from the pineapple, also the cucumber unaisikilia tu na uko mbali. You do not need to sweeten this. Also the lemon that you've added towards the end gives it a little bit of the kick, and then the mint gives it something. This is good. And refreshing too. Whoa. This will quench your thirst. If at all you want to lose some weight, you can have this every day. Instead of eating when you feel hungry, just drink this. That's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. I also hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.